Examples of disruptive innovation. The Koba Tile-Adhesive Silo. Watch to the end to see this disruptive business innovation in action. Disruptive innovation is one of the 4 innovation strategies you might choose. Watch this video to get a clear understanding of how disruptive innovation starts and how it is transformed from an idea on a post-it into a full operational product, tripling their market share. Let's start straight away. Brel, a mid-sized company in the Netherlands producing concrete and tiling adhesives, needed to innovate itself out of a financial crisis end of 2014. They used the 4th innovation method to ideate and develop 6 new business cases, among which the Tile-Adhesive Silo Service under the brand name Koba. Now 4th is a proven method combining business thinking with design thinking, where an innovation team, including top management, enrolls an expedition of 15 weeks. A good innovation is a new solution for a relevant customer friction. The customer need for the tile-adhesive silo was discovered on the island Observe and Learn, where professional tilers complained that the profit margins were squeezed during the crisis. They would like to increase their revenues and margins as well. On the island, Raise Ideas. Brel generated 964 new ideas, and the 15 best ones were chosen and worked out as a concept. The Tile-Adhesive Silo Service was really disruptive, as it used a complete new technology to make tile adhesive on the spot, with a machine, instead of mixing powder and water with a mixer by hand, as they have been doing for decades. In this way, the tiling team could now only consist of 3 people instead of 4, which would lower substantially the cost of the tiler and give him his margin back. The Silo Adhesive Service was ranked by customers only as number 11 out of 15 concepts. There were a lot of questions on this new technique, but in disruptive innovation, don't listen to your customer. Brel believed that they could make the technology work, and they had a real unique sales proposition, as their competitors in tile adhesive were not used to work with silos like Brel did in concrete. At the end presentation, next to more revolutionary ideas like the concept of 3D printing of architectonical concrete, the tiling adhesive service was chosen by the leadership team to be implemented. It got both funded and staffed, and Brel decided to develop this disruptive concept in-house with top priority. After 2 years of intense experimenting, testing and working with first mover clients, it became clear that the new technology would work, and they launched this disruptive innovation. Within 3 years after the launch, they tripled their market share from 6% to 18% in the tiling of floors. Here you can see the Tile-Adhesive Silo Service in action. Watch next this movie on the radical innovation strategy of 3D printing of concrete. Another radical innovation example of Brel. Let's innovate and stay safe.